start the class from today. So that is first lesson. Rachit had a dream. So children, through this lesson, we are going to learn how we can save energy, how we can save electricity and reduce global warming. So in this lesson, you can see the green star, and let us see how the green star makes Rachit understand what mistakes he is doing through this lesson, and it will also teach him how we can save energy or how we can save electricity. So through this lesson we are going to learn. So what happens? So Rachit is sleeping in his room. You can see in the picture here. So you can see the computer and lights are on and the things are scattered in his room, but nobody is there in his room. Rachit is sleeping soundly in his room. So what happens when he was sleeping? He has a dream. When Rachit was sleeping, he has a dream. Rachit, get up. I have something to show you. So then, who are you? What do you want to show me? So Rachit will ask, who are you? So he's sleeping soundly in his room. You can make out what kind of a boy Rachit is. So he's irresponsible. By seeing the picture, we can make out. So the computers and lights are on. Nobody is there in his room. So what happens? He had a dream. In that he could see a green star appeared in his dream. Suddenly he will wake up and he will ask, who are you? What do you want to show me? He will ask. I am your green friend. I am your green friend. So the star will say, I am your green friend. Don't be afraid. Come with me. It will tell. So then Rachit will ask, where? He will ask, where? Come on, you need to see something. So the star will take him somewhere there. So it will tell, you need to see something there. And where the green star will take Rachit? The green star takes Rachit to a room similar to Rachit. Where Rachit was sleeping now. Similar to that room where computer and lights were on. So and nobody is there in the room. It will take Rachit and it will make him to see what he has done. And look, you are wasting so much electricity. Then the green star will say, you are wasting so much electricity. Don't you know we all must save electricity? So the green star is making him realize what he has done. So it is showing that you are wasting electricity. You have left the room by owning the lights and then computer and all. So wasting the electricity. We all must save electricity to cut down on our bill and reduce global warming. So reduce means what, children? To cut down or to make smaller. So the green star makes Rachit realize what mistake he has done. And then Rachit feels sorry and switches off the lights and computer. After that, what Rachit will do? He will switch off the computer and the lights. Oh, I am sorry. Now let us go to the bathroom. So then he will ask sorry for the green star. And the green star will tell, let us now go to the bathroom. So the star then takes Rachit to the bathroom attached to the room. It will take him to the bathroom. Okay. Look, the tap has been leaking since last week. Don't you know that every drop of water is precious? So the star is again making him realize what mistake he has done. It will say that every drop of water is precious. Don't you know that one? And we can make a difference by taking care of such little things. So make a difference means to do something useful, to do something useful. So we can make a difference by taking care of such little things. So even we can do such things in the homes as children. When you are going for playing outside, what you will do? You will not turn off the TV or lights, computer. So without that those are little things that we can make a difference there, isn't it? We can make a difference. We can save the electricity. So then what happens here? Then Rachit will see that in the bathroom. So you can see the tap is leaking. Oh, I did not notice it. He will say, sorry, I will get it repaired. And the next one is, then they move to the drawing room. Then it will take him to the drawing room. So now what do you want to show me? Again Rachit will ask you. So the star will say, see, the fan is on and nobody is here in the room. The fan is on and nobody is there in the room. TV is also on the standby mode. Television is also on the standby mode. So then Rachit will say, I am very sorry. Our teacher has also told us not to leave the appliances on standby mode. He will remember that what he has learned in his school, and he will remember what his teacher has said, that we should not leave the appliances there. We should not leave the electrical appliances on standby mode. It consumes more electricity. He will understand that. Okay, children. So let me end my class here. So in the next class, let us see what happens. How the green star makes Rachit realize what mistakes he has done. Okay, children. Let me continue in the next class. Thank you.